Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at Exto. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY before the Christmas, Louis 23rd. So probably this is the last video before the Christmas. I'll be coming down again after the Christmas, if no big changes come to the market. Okay. If anything bad happens or good happens, I'll be coming down tomorrow again. So first of all, market is trading at 152.37. This is the current market price of GBP JPY. The important feature of GBP JPY chart is that we saw extreme bullishness, not extremely, extreme bullishness in the market when there was a huge buying on GBP JPY. Just look at the up move here. Okay, so what this up move signifies? It signifies the presence of buyers in the market, the power of the buyers in the market, and you can see that this level 152.65, this level has been acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, and what does resistance mean? Resistance means is the place of sellers. And if you look at the market right now, it's the fourth candle. One, two, three, four candles. Okay, is a 4 hours chart, so 16 hours. So market is standing at the resistance for the last 16 hours, but still market is not ready to go down. Market is not going down. What does it signify? It signifies the presence of buyers, the intention of the buyers to take the market upward. So as a result, taking a sell position right now is quite risky here. After all, always keep in mind that support and resistance level are not permanent. They are not permanent at all. So first thing that there is the first possibility on the chart of GBPJPY is market breaking the resistance and going up. Yes, market is struggling right now. Market is gathering momentum right now. Buyers, there is a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So at one point of time, there is a possibility of buyers taking over the sellers and going up. If that thing happens, then obviously market will break the resistance of 152.65 and will go up. If it goes up, you will get a buy position here, and that is our first trading opportunity. Just keep in mind that after breaking the level, just observe the market carefully. If you see that there is a breakout with proper volume. Volume means if the size of the candle is good enough, if the size of the candle convinces you that buyers are present in the market, a big fat green candle, then you can go for it. And on the other hand, if you see that side of the candles are not good enough, they are lame, they are weak, it means that there is a possibility of a false breakout. Always keep in mind, for a proper breakout, the market, the price needs the support of the volume. Okay, if the size of the candles are not good enough, leave it. Just observe the market. Observe the market for a couple of hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, and just observe the market and see how the market is doing and reacting. If after 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours, if you still see that market is trading comfortably, yes, listen to me carefully. If you find market trading comfortably above 152.65 level, you can take a buy position, because that will give you the confirmation that the resistance is the new support here. Okay, so 152.65 is a important level, and there is a possibility of market going up as well, because considering the extreme bullishness in the market, considering the presence of buyers in the market right now. But on the other hand, if market fails, yes, we are traders, we must be very flexible. So we must be ready if market fails also. So if market fails to break the resistance and starts coming down, you can take a sell position as well. And again,